Alright, so, hi. I got bored because I've been stuck in the new incarnation of the Plague, so I decided to buy a bunch of Arduino. I got this mega kit off of Amazon, and so I built a laser that is controlled by a joystick that shines it around my room. I want to make this thing controlled by facial recognition, but I have no clue how to do that yet, so, yeah, I guess I'll figure that out. Just has a bunch of really poorly soldered together wires. Basically, I just tied the wires together and hot glued them. Yeah, it works fine. And this little remote, it's all connected, and if I pull too hard, then the whole thing comes apart, so, that's fun. But yeah, so this is what I've gone up to in my free time in quarantine.